How is it now?
Okay. Yes, kusu hande 2 साल. Los. 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 Kesrum is telling that please, he is fine and please tell Samuel Buche that he live long and he will pray for Samuel Buche long. I'm not game about Samuel Buche. Me say that's a me news on. So me. The so me the game. Top game ne data ko chuna digo resa. That the game better you know. He doesn't want to put in the ear. Okay, and again the team me data la kisa ठीक हुआ है यो मारा चीने ठीक है team me चीनी नासा लपे फेंको यो रेसा के लिए रुपुचे काम सुने हम तो चावा कोरे क्या अपने अभी shopping चिका ला रुपुचे कोना फे mix के तेरे गें ला पैकेट नहीं था खेल रुपुचे खेल चावा इसे ला पैकेट तेरे न्यूज़ होना तेरे गें ला पैकेट नहीं दूला तेरे से दिप्पे में से भी याको यो रेसा रुपुचे लाऊं अने दी चीनी नासा की चुए में तेरे रेशाल लाऊं जेम मारे गें चीनी नासा में लाऊं अने दे निगु चिकु सोगे निगु योरो तुवा साने निगु पुये इन सब तो खास ना नंगु दी कांगबा शिंचु मोवा छे दोदो छे ने गाम सु अने दे छे माटन दिरवा वो दे टाइम में फेन तो याको दुलाऊं लाऊं
I want to take photo.
There's some questions to ask. Yes,
thank you very much for granting us the audience. I just have one simple question. Perhaps Rinpoche can tell us a little bit about how Chum Rinpoche was like as a student.
Okay. Quran suge gen ke thini dewa la jega dine ta de pe tu ches gen ko de jega kuno sama dine jega dine chuma gen la tu ches ani kunzu ge ta da Quran da tige Rinpoche ge pena ada Malaysia da pena pe chilo rumba dine la khapta che jero khapta che ge thopa lega chi gore a di thola ni gen ge Rinpoche da Rinpoche sen Rinpoche ko la ne ju du du chi shue nas ne ju do du dine shue nas Rinpoche sen Rinpoche ko la
ta number dia kono ta de solo mucho todo sila tu ro
lao
ane sudah ke cabai itu di sila ro
lao
kita lama tu ke tu solo tu ni waktu dia ada ni tu kade ke ni tu betul tu pun nak betul ya tapi yo boleh
lao
waktu dia
Lao. So Khenzo Rinpoche is telling that Sem Rinpoche has been with Kyabju Song Rinpoche for a long time, and of course Khenzo Chamba Ishe for a long time. So Sem Rinpoche have all this knowledge given from them. So he have this all knowledge. So it's very good for you all because Rinpoche have this knowledge. Lao. So Khenzo Rinpoche is telling that Sem Rinpoche have always thinking of others only. Now. So he is telling that the main important thing is that for the if it's a Rinpoche or anyone for thinking for the others, this is the main thing quality in Sem Rinpoche. So Khenzo Rinpoche is telling when Sem Rinpoche stayed in a Song Labra, he stayed meditation many times. He stayed meditation long time. Now so Khenzo Rinpoche is telling that now that Sem Rinpoche is very trying is very hard and that he helping all these big temples here, and he said is very good of Rinpoche's work. Khyentse Rinpoche is saying that that you all have a relationship with Rinpoche. It's not just about normal people, like not just. It's very important that you have a Dharma's relationship with Tsemmo Rinpoche. Is the main thing is that you have. Then anything else? Like okay.
What does Rinpoche think of Tsemmo Rinpoche's teaching methods?
Okay.
Because Rinpoche's way of teaching is not very traditional,
Okay.
and as a result have received a lot of criticism.
Oh, I see.
Yes. So, what is Rinpoche's?
Yes, it's a way of teaching. Does Rinpoche
What
think
does
about?
Rinpoche think about it?
Kora jebige ta jiwala Rinpoche Khyentse Rinpoche pena chue xie jiwala chue xie digi thola ane chue xie dan da jiwala dide gengi tusam khande jeng dus chue xie dan yapu yugi na menas gengi samju khar dus Rinpoche chidan de thingsang ge thengdu gi chue xie dan ji sungor wa bi samanawa kibu yuye che chue xie ani samja boru boru la ni kemo dide la nangor wa di xie dan di thola gengi samju khar dus na
That is to show the Lord, to show for the make a samba of Toma.
no so
Kimba then, they operate.
no so
What the Mama Pearl teaching the button, he got the Kakayore.
no so
No,
lao
what the tradition?
no so
But I treat girl in the treaty, what the Petata of Giatan, so take the needs of Cabaret.
no so
He thought that I might want to do to go in.
jede
Make up a no one to my day.
lao
No Sabba there.
lao
The David Tiada, the Lodo Tiada, Lodo Tiada. You do get the Shira of the time.
no so Khyentse Rinpoche is telling it is because of the time we have to go with the time. For the present time, the people because listen to Rinpoche's teaching and because Rinpoche when he give teaching there like sometimes he jokes also. This is because it's the time is like that. Before we like Khyentse Rinpoche is telling before they give a teaching, but that time they will take like 3-4 hours teaching. But that time have a time. Now this day is time is very less, so we have to go with the time. So what Rinpoche is teaching is a right method to teach to the others. Does it sense?
Yes.
Okay then.
I don't put to put in that. She are you go by Lodo, you go by the she said it told you to say the opposite go almost. She can hear the gentleman. Say the Papa opposite to you and the Chuka in the
Khyentse Rinpoche is telling if your mind is very like not permanent, then it's very difficult to give them a Dharma teaching. If your mind is permanent, like
More stable.
stable, is it stable? Then it's easy to put Dharma inside. So it's depend on the mind. So also it's like to teach to Dharma to the others. First we have to like the people nature. We have to go through the nature to teach them. To make if we do like a Dharma in like a very what we call not liking and then never can teach the Dharma to the people. If your mind is free and become open, then it's easy to teach the Dharma. Yes. You wanna ask anything about the Rinpoche's building? The Tarichushi do it again.
Yeah.
Wow.
Which building?
Kansen buildings. Do Khyentse Rinpoche have any idea? Do you want to ask anything about that? Because Rinpoche has built the Kansens.
Oh.
It was Khyentse Rinpoche's instruction.
No, not instruction, but he have idea about that thing. I think. So if you can ask him about these things, maybe he have more something to say.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes. Okay.
kunzuki ya Rinpoche ngema thango Malaysia la phedan jor wala dipena neju di khande resna mena Khyentse Rinpoche Khyentse di Rinpoche ka pona jo ngema kushola uzu gyame dide chine Malaysia la do khamse gi thanda pena khamse thota sumdo di gya di kusho pin pa do che Malaysia do ni di chi yor wala di to la gengi har khengi yo nas lao
Itu lokal kan. Bagi tidak jadi joro. Kau cukup juga tak.
Shakyamuni
Let meeting do a
Mr. Kung.
Mr. Koda.
Mr. Koda.
Kodo Kata, the meeting of the pain, Collegion to the God.
Lost.
Ishida, Collegion, Congo, I don't know, which way you are one.
Lost.
In their Kanaka, so what the do.
Khenzo Rinpoche is saying that that time it was very difficult for Rinpoche to go there because there's no people, not much people around to know. So he have lots of difficulty to talk to the people, to understand, and so Khenzo Rinpoche is saying he have tried his heart very hard to come out the result that comes in this new house has come out. Like that time, the Tshema Rinpoche teach to Mr. Ko. So Mr. Ko is the one who also been donating, sponsoring the house, comes in house. Yeah.
That was when Rinpoche was in Malaysia.
Yes, that time Rinpoche was in Malaysia. But because we usually come here when students come, we visit Khenzo Rinpoche often, give some present. Like Rinpoche likes to give Khenzo Rinpoche the statues. You see? Remember? That's this Vajra Yugini and also been given from Tshema Rinpoche. Heruka. Incho, Mother.